In this video, I will show you how to split cells in Microsoft Word. So if you have a table and you want to split, so keep your cursor on that particular cell and click on this layout. This layout for table, double click on it, click on this last layout and here the option split cells. Number of column, number of rows, then click on OK. So it will split. Just select one cell if you want to split particular cell and click on OK. Select number of columns, number of rows and OK. To undo, just click here. So in just one click you can split this all, select all and split cells and click on OK like this. Thanks for watching.